Uses for these dead Prius hybrid cells. Just got done taking these cells out of this hybrid battery, and these are the weakest of all the cells. There were 6 of them I had to change out, I believe. So what I did is I discharged and recharged these cells and let them set for a week, and then I took 2 of the best cells out of the 6 cells and I kept them. They were still holding at 7.5 volts. So I thought, I'll just make like a small jump box for the auxiliary 12 volt battery, or for any car rather, if you just need a little bit of a boost, a little bit of a jump start, and you're in a parking lot and no one's around. So what I did here is I just made a jumper on one end. So negative, positive, comes back. Put some nuts on this end, some splices with some alligator clamps, so I can just have kind of a little booster pack. And each one of these is 7 volts, these cells, so this is about 14 volts. And this one's charged up. Let's see what it puts out. I don't know exactly what we've got here. So yeah, I mean, we're looking at a jump box with 15.3 volts charged up, and then I can just take this like solar charger and hook it up to here in the meanwhile and let that set out in the sun and charge it up, throw it in the back of the car, and I'll have like a little booster pack just in case I need a little more juice. Let's say you leave the headlights on and battery's weak, just not enough to start. For example, under a load test here, we'll just take this DC motor. It's out of a drill actually, and whoa, okay, so we've got quite a bit of power there. All right, now we'll test a headlight. But yeah, got quite a bit of juice still left in her, so I hate to just waste it, but figure you could at least get a little bit of a booster box. That way if you're down a dirt road or stranded, you don't have anybody that could give you a jump with jumper cables, you could throw this thing on the battery. It might take a little while, it might take 10-15 minutes or so. For example, with this just hooked up, I've got a lead in this one and on this one. The battery's only putting out about 12.8 volts because I've had it on a charger all day. But for example, let's say it was weak and it was down in the 11 volt range or something. Now when I hook this up, the booster box, look there, now she's putting out, I don't know, 13.3 volts. Now if you were down in the 11 volt range, that'd boost you back up to, I don't know, 12.3 volts, and probably get your headlights and get other parts of the ignition system to charge up and fire and work. So it might take a little while before it actually feeds enough amperage into the battery for it to become substantial, but you never know. It's a good use for these old dead cells.